Okay, today we are going to unbox the Rubbermaid storage containers. This is a multiple pack. I'll have it tagged in the video as well, so you can just click directly to the link and get it ordered from that way if you would like. So these are oven safe and microwavable. A couple things I really like about them is just the variety in sizes. Starts out with a small one. I think this one, 1.3 cups. You actually see it there instead of having to turn it over, so that's kind of nice. And then the lids. So lids are going to snap in place. You grab one of the small ones and do a quick demo there. So we got one of our small lids here. Besides this, got a rubber seal. So all we do is hook it on here, snap, snap, and it's going to be waterproof. One great thing about this is they have the ability to do microwaves, like I said, but you don't have to take the lid off. So you just pop open, and it's got vents in there. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, so that is the vent to make sure there's no pressure building up when you have microwave or food in the microwave. And then you just pop it off. So great product. Super good with like stackable. It is glass, so you want to be a little careful, but so it's got a little weight to it, which is nice. But multiple sizes here. Everything in good shape, comes packed really well. Yeah, one of my favorites. All right.